How to create an account on Plugbooks, a step-by-step guide. Let's get started. Step 1. Visit the Plugbooks website. Go to plugbooks.io and click the Get Started button on the homepage. Once you click Get Started, you'll see the following sign-in options: Google, QuickBooks, Xero. Sign in with the option you prefer. Step 2. Select your sales channel: eBay, Amazon, Amazon Pay. In this guide, we will continue with Amazon. Step 3. Connect your sales channel. After selecting your sales channel, such as Amazon, fill out the following fields: name, region, marketplace. Step 4. Connect bookkeeping software: QuickBooks, Xero. Or, you can skip this step if you don't have any bookkeeping software. Remember, you can always connect your bookkeeping software later from the integration options. If you choose to skip, the next step will be pricing. If you select a bookkeeping software, proceed to Step 5. Step 5. Account mapping. In this step, map your transaction categories from your sales channels to the chart of accounts in your bookkeeping software. You can do this manually or by using Plugbooks Automapping functionality. In manual mapping, select the appropriate chart of accounts for each transaction category, such as sales and refunds. However, we recommend using the Automapping functionality. Plugbooks creates a new chart of accounts that automatically connects with categories based on your sales channels, simplifying the mapping process. Step 6. Configuration. After completing account mapping, your next step is configuration based on your bookkeeping software, Xero or QuickBooks. For Xero configuration, first, set whether you want to automatically post future invoices to Xero, which sends invoices to Xero as they are generated. Second, set the status of the invoices, which can either be draft or approved. For QuickBooks configuration, first, set whether you want to automatically post future invoices to QuickBooks. Click on Save Settings, then add the appropriate bank account where Plugbooks will send negative and positive balances. Step 7. Subscription invoice account. For Xero configuration, choose the Xero organization where you want to send your Plugbooks subscription fee invoice. For QuickBooks configuration, choose the QuickBooks organization where you want to send your Plugbooks subscription fee invoice and select the QuickBooks bank account from which the subscription fee will be debited. Step 8. Pricing. In this step, select a subscription package that best fits your needs. Plugbooks offers various packages such as number of orders and historical data access. After reviewing the options, select the package that aligns with your business requirements. Step 9. User consent. In the final step, provide your consent to Plugbooks terms and conditions and privacy policy. Take a moment to read through them, and check the box to confirm. Let us handle the time-consuming work in seconds, so you can focus on growing your business.